Namaste. Welcome to my channel Think India. Today in Think India Kitchen, we are gonna make a scrumptious snack pakoras. I know pakoras are our favorite and they're too addictive. And it's a beginner-friendly recipe which can be made specially in monsoons. So all the beginners out there, let's check out the recipe. For the batter, sift the chickpea flour through a sieve to make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Now add 50 grams of rice flour to the batter. Now add all the spices. Have half teaspoon of carom seeds, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste. Now add all the spices to the mix. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. And now add 1 teaspoon of gingergarlic paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and give it a good mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of hot oil, which makes the pakoras crisp and will prevent them from soaking up the oil. Now you can add some coriander, which is completely optional. I personally like the flavor of coriander and also some green leaves here and there on my pakoras, so I'm adding it in. The very first tip to keep in mind when making the pakoras is to whisk the batter properly to avoid lumps. When you mix all the ingredients in the bowl, make sure that there are no lumps because the lumps formed in the dough often cause frying problems, resulting in uncooked pakoras. Add approximately 125 milliliters of water or as required and mix it to form a smooth, thick batter. Don't add all of the water at once. Check the consistency and add little by little. You can always check the consistency of the batter by dipping in your finger and you see the batter has coated your finger well. So this is the desired consistency to make the pakoras. Now cut the vegetables in the shapes you desire. I have sliced the potatoes and bananas and separated the onion rings and make a slit in the center of the chillies. Now heat up the oil for deep frying. The desired consistency is 180 degrees Celsius. Always maintain the temperature of the oil. When the oil is too hot, you end up having pakoras brown from outside and uncooked from inside. And now dip the veggies in the batter and deep fry to golden brown color. Now I'm gonna fry the rest of the pakoras and drain them on a paper towel. The pakoras are now ready to serve and just sprinkle a bit of Chatmasala to give a tangy punch. And now we are going to do some street style mirchi bhajji. Open the slit chilies, fill them with some finely chopped onion, coriander and a dash of lemon and sprinkle again with some chaat masala, and now you know it tastes heavenly. They taste best when they are hot, but you can always make them ahead for parties and wrap them in a foil and heat them up in the oven. So how easy and fast it was. Just make them as shown in the video and I'm sure you're gonna be a pakora pro. Don't worry about the calories, you can always burn them by working out. Just enjoy the food for the moment and stay healthy and happy. Please do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out to you. And please hit the like button if you like the recipe. And for more easy and beginner friendly recipes, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Namaste.